Hey guys, it's Wendy here, and I'm going to show you what I do to prepare for the weekend around my house. We are a very busy family on the weekends, and it drives me bananas when there's clutter all over my house. So today I'm going to just do like a good sweep of the house, get all the things put in the places that they are supposed to be, and I'm gonna take you with me. So first up, I'm not gonna make a list today. Typically when I clean, I make a list so I can make sure that I cover everything that I want to. But today is strictly just going through, doing a clean sweep of the house. I will show you my tips to how I do that, how I think it works. And I'm gonna throw on some music because I am so burned out on listening to Audible and podcasts, so I'm gonna play some music. And I am gonna set a timer too because I don't want to dilly-dally with things that don't need my attention right now. I just wanna stay focused on what I'm trying to do, and that's it, so let's get started. Hey everyone. First, I start by picking up everything that doesn't belong in the room. I usually grab a laundry basket just to throw things in the basket and then transfer them to the other rooms they belong in. Sometimes I just transfer the basket, if you know what I mean. In the kitchen, everything into the laundry basket that doesn't live in the kitchen. Wipe down all the counters and make it shine. I love any good smelling all-purpose cleaner. I especially like the ones from Method, even Windex. I'm tired of looking at this crock pot on my counter when I have only used it like once or twice this whole month, so I put it back in its proper place, which is in a cabinet in my living room. Now time for the sink. No pun intended, but Barkeeper's Friend really is your best friend here. I love it, it's affordable, and it works. Next up, the bathroom. No time for a deep clean. Just make it presentable, wipe down the counters and, around the toilets, just in case you have guests coming over this weekend. I love my laundry room. I especially love the soothing sounds of the washer and the dryer going. Never mind that I have rewashed several loads of laundry in here already, but I love my laundry room. It is a place that gets dirty a lot. We keep our soccer supplies in here, all of our cleaning supplies. It kind of becomes the hub for everything that doesn't have a home. The dining room is easy today, just a quick dust and a vacuum, nothing crazy here. This is my brand new vacuum, and I'm gonna leave a link down below where you can find it. Now the entryway. Everything that I've been gathering goes back into its rightful place. 10 million trips up and down these stairs, and help from a puppy when you're done. All right, starting to fizzle out a little bit, but I just have to do the upstairs and it's not as bad, or actually it might be worse, but someone needs to get in shape to clean my house. Okay, so you might be wondering why we have plastic on our stairs. That's Kiffin. We just redid that bathroom right there, and we also have a new puppy, so we're like, let's keep the plastic on the stairs until the dog is potty trained, because for some reason, she likes to think the stairs are the place where she goes potty. That's not the puppy, that's the old guy. The puppy's around here somewhere. Our upstairs needs lots of vacuuming, especially with these two dogs. I love to make those tracks in the carpet. It makes me happy. It makes me feel like a job accomplished, especially when other people can see that I've been working at it. Okay, so this is why I'm glad I didn't make a list, because my bathroom, my daughter's room, and the office are just too much to tackle today. So I'm gonna finish up vacuuming downstairs and then call this thing a wrap. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'm really excited that I got to do this today. I've been wanting to make another clean with me video for a very long time. So great, we are headed into the weekend with a clean canvas, and that makes me excited. And even though I didn't get to tackle some of the areas that really need some attention, I just wanted to use this amount of time that I have to declutter and clean up the areas that we are going to be in this weekend. So that's it. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and definitely leave us a comment if you like these clean with me videos. I have a couple more in mind, and I would love for you guys to check those out. All right, have a great weekend.